Hey guys, welcome to Log Nails. Today I'll be showing you how to use the MetaQuest gift card online, and now let's dive right in. Now to use your MetaQuest gift card, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in secure.oculus.com/redeem code like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected over here, but you will be first required to log into your Facebook account or Instagram account, or if you have previously signed up for Meta with your email, you can directly log in with email over here. Or if you have not yet created an account on Meta, simply click on set up an account with email, but I'll be logging into my Meta account with the Facebook. Let's click on Facebook. Now, because my computer had saved my login of my Facebook account, maybe I was not asked to log into my Facebook account, but in your case you might, or you can be asked to log into your Facebook or your Instagram account with which you want to sign into your Meta account, on which you want to redeem your MetaQuest, or on which account you want to use your MetaQuest gift card. With that being said, after landing over here on the back side of the MetaQuest gift card, you can see, or you will find some ink over there. You will first require to scratch that, and then the code will be visible to you, and enter that code over here and click on this arrow. Then that MetaQuest gift card will be redeemed on this account which you're currently logged into. You can see in the profile. That being said, there guys, this is how you use your MetaQuest gift card, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.